Hey, just got this from DHL. Keychron keyboard, my fourth, I think. Never had any issues with Keychron keyboards. I've given a couple to my kids. My oldest daughter uses one as her daily driver, which she usually prefers over her Surface Pro keyboard. My son actually prefers his laptop keyboard over the Keychron I gave him, but that's because he has a ThinkPad, and ThinkPads have really good keyboards. But there are no mechanical keyboards, and this here is the Keychron Q4 Pro. It's a custom mechanical keyboard with wireless VIA or QMK, which is an essential feature if you want to use an alt layout as I do, or even if you want to use macros or layers, not only with your desktop computer or your laptop, but also with an iPad or an iPhone, or you can hook up multiple things to this keyboard. Keychron were among the first to feature wireless keyboards with VIA or QMK. I think I got one from them in late 2021, and it's essential for setting up an alt keyboard like mine, which I'll just show here. When I use a random computer at work, I have to use a cord rather than wireless, so it's handy that the cord comes with USB-C or USB-A. There's the RGB. Let's have a look at how that looks with the lights off. Okay, first impression, these keycaps are really tall. Really high. They feel weird on my fingers. I'm gonna show you why. This here is the KSA profile that's used in the Q4, and this is the regular profile that's used in other Keychron keyboards. It's much higher, sharper domed top. I mean, they're good. See, it has a double shot, so it's much thicker than the regular keycaps that come with Keychron keyboards, but too high, too tall for my taste. On the other hand, I'm not in love with these colors here on the white keyboard. Sounds all right, but I'm going to try blank keycaps, see what that looks like. This looks better, but the white keycaps against the really white casing of the Keychron, they look a bit yellowish. This looks better. These are GMK modeled pixels keycaps, and the black looks better against the white casing. In fact, the blank white keycaps look better against the black casing. This is a K8 Pro. This still looks a little bit yellowish. Let's take it outside for better light. It looks better outside. So this is a fully assembled mechanical keyboard for under $200 US. It's a good deal for a full aluminum metal case with double gaskets on the plates. You know, it has silicone pads between the top and bottom cases, screw-in stabs. Feels good. It has a nice give when you press on the keys. I recommend it.